If you're someone who likes to take pride in keeping your car looking its best, then you're in the right place. My name is Christian Ortiz, and today I'm gonna introduce you to Trinity Global USA, a brand built by car enthusiasts for enthusiasts. At Trinity Global USA, we believe that detailing is not just maintenance, it's more of an experience, which is why we have created a simple but powerful 4-step system to help you clean, enhance, and protect your vehicle like a pro. Our first step is clean. This step is all about removing dirt, brake dust, and contaminants safely and effectively. Using high-quality soaps and cleaners, you can strip away grime without worrying about damaging your paint or wheels. Next up is step 2, created for interiors. It's all about creating a clean, comfortable space every time you get behind the wheel. Then we move on to step 3, enhance. This step is all about bringing out the best of your vehicle's appearance. It's where the deep gloss, rich trims, and that like-new look really come to life. Enhancing is about making every detail stand out and preparing your car for long-lasting protection. Finally, we have step 4, shield. The most crucial step. This is all about sealing in that shine and guarding your car against the elements. With advanced protection, your vehicle stays cleaner for longer and is ready to take on anything the road throws at it. At Trinity Global USA, our mission is simple. It's to help you take care of your car with a product that works. If you're ready to step your detailing game up, check out our exclusive product line at trinityglobalusa.com. Thanks for watching, and remember, your car deserves the best because you care. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on keeping your car looking its best. Until next time.